Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anglina Dcosta, and today I want to share something that most men over 40 must know, but rarely hear about: the two powerful vitamins that can naturally restore blood flow, stamina, and bedroom performance while you sleep. Many people rush to take magnesium or expensive supplements, but what they don't realize is that two specific vitamins play a far more crucial role in improving circulation, supporting heart health, and enhancing male performance overnight. These vitamins help your arteries relax, increase nitric oxide levels, and ensure that oxygen-rich blood flows freely throughout your body even when you're resting. In this video, I'll reveal the two essential vitamins that boost nighttime blood flow naturally, how these nutrients help in maintaining youthful energy and vitality, the best food sources and natural ways to get the right dosage daily. Common mistakes men make that block blood circulation unknowingly. My simple bedtime routine that supports stronger performance and heart health after 50. No artificial pills, no risky shortcuts. Just science-backed nutrition and lifestyle changes that help you wake up feeling stronger, more confident, and ready to take on your day. Remember, your body has the natural power to heal and regenerate itself when you provide it with the right nutrients and rest. Consistency and smart habits are the keys to lasting results. If you care about your blood flow, heart strength, and overall male wellness, this is one video you can't afford to skip. Before we dive in, let me quickly ask you to support this channel. Give this video a like, drop a comment below, telling me where you are watching from, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss my latest men's health updates. Let's get started. Firstly, let's begin with why blood flow declines after 40. As we cross the age of 40, many men begin to notice slower energy, weaker stamina, and reduced circulation, but very few understand why it happens. With age, our blood vessels naturally lose some of their flexibility. The smooth inner lining of the arteries becomes less responsive, making it harder for blood to move freely. Daily stress, long sitting hours, poor food choices, and lack of quality sleep add even more pressure on the heart and blood vessels. Another major reason is the gradual drop in nitric oxide, a natural compound that keeps arteries relaxed. When nitric oxide levels fall, blood flow reduces, and men may feel tired, heavy, or less confident in performance. Hormonal changes, higher inflammation, and slower metabolism also play a role. The good news is that simple lifestyle habits, nutritious foods, and the right vitamins can support healthy blood flow at any age. Next, let's move on to the hidden role of vitamins in nighttime repair. While most people focus on what they eat during the day, very few understand how important vitamins are for the body's repair process at night. When you sleep, your body quietly switches into recovery mode. Your cells work harder, your tissues rebuild, and your blood vessels try to restore their strength. During this time, specific vitamins play a powerful but often unnoticed role. These vitamins support the production of nitric oxide, help oxygen move smoothly through the bloodstream, and assist in repairing the lining of your arteries. They also reduce oxidative stress, one of the biggest reasons for weakened circulation as we age. Without these nutrients, your body struggles to recover fully, even if you sleep for long hours. By giving your body the right vitamins before bedtime, you allow your heart, blood vessels, and energy systems to recharge naturally, helping you wake up feeling fresher, stronger, and more active. In this section, I will reveal the first vitamin. When we talk about restoring healthy blood flow, especially for men over 40, most people immediately think about minerals, heavy supplements, or complicated treatments. But in reality, one of the most powerful nutrients for circulation is something surprisingly simple and often overlooked: vitamin B3, also known as niacin. This vitamin plays a quiet, behind-the-scenes role in keeping your arteries relaxed, your blood vessels flexible, and your circulation smooth, especially at night, when your body enters repair mode. As we age, our arteries tend to stiffen, and the inner lining of the blood vessels becomes less responsive. This reduces the natural production of nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for widening and relaxing the blood vessels. When nitric oxide levels drop, blood flow slows, energy decreases, and performance begins to decline. Niacin helps the body restore this balance by supporting nitric oxide production and improving vessel elasticity. This is one of the reasons why men who regularly consume vitamin B3 often feel lighter, more energetic, and more confident. Niacin also supports healthy cholesterol levels by helping remove bad cholesterol from the bloodstream. This reduces pressure on the arteries and keeps the heart functioning smoothly. When your arteries are clean and relaxed, your heart doesn't have to work as hard, and your overall blood circulation improves naturally. One of the biggest benefits of niacin is the way it works while you sleep. During sleep, your cells repair themselves, your tissues recover, and your body focuses on rebuilding stronger arteries and restoring flow. When vitamin B3 is available in the bloodstream at night, it enhances this repair process, helping you wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. The good news is that you don't need expensive pills to get niacin. Foods like peanuts, sunflower seeds, chicken, eggs, mushrooms, brown rice, and fish are rich natural sources. Even small amounts, taken consistently, can make a noticeable difference. Many men go years without realizing they are low in vitamin B3. The signs are often subtle: fatigue, cold hands or feet, slower performance, or a feeling of heaviness. Supporting your body with this one essential vitamin can help restore circulation gently and naturally. Niacin is simple, safe, and powerful. When included in your daily routine, it helps your arteries relax, supports your heart, and boosts nighttime blood flow, helping you feel younger, stronger, and more active each morning. Now I will discuss the best natural sources of vitamin number 1 to add in your diet. When it comes to improving blood flow naturally, the best approach is always to start with food. Vitamin B3, or niacin, is found in many everyday foods that can easily fit into your routine. These natural sources not only support healthy circulation, but also help your heart, metabolism, and energy levels. The good news is that you don't need fancy supplements to enjoy the benefits. Your kitchen already holds some of the most powerful options. One of the richest sources of niacin is fish, especially tuna and salmon. These foods not only provide vitamin B3, but also contain healthy fats that support artery flexibility. Chicken, particularly the breast portion, is another excellent source, and works well for those who prefer lean protein. For vegetarians, foods like peanuts, sunflower seeds, brown rice, mushrooms, and green peas are great choices. These plant-based options offer a steady supply of niacin, while also providing fiber and essential minerals that support overall vascular health. Whole grains, including oats and whole wheat, are also reliable sources and can easily be added to breakfast or snacks. If you prefer dairy, milk and eggs contain moderate amounts of niacin, and are easy to include in daily meals. Even small portions of these foods help maintain your vitamin B3 levels consistently. The most important point is consistency. Getting niacin in small amounts throughout the day supports healthy blood flow, artery relaxation, and nighttime repair. Whether you enjoy nuts as a snack, include fish in your dinner, or start your morning with whole grains, each choice strengthens your circulation over time. By choosing these natural foods regularly, you give your body the nutrients it needs to stay energized, improve blood flow, and maintain stronger performance, especially as you grow older. Let's move on to our second vitamin in this section. The second vitamin that plays a major role in nighttime blood flow and overall male performance is vitamin B12. Most people know B12 as an energy vitamin, but very few understand how deeply it affects circulation, oxygen delivery, and cellular repair, especially while you sleep. As men grow older, the body's ability to absorb vitamin B12 gradually declines. This leads to weaker blood flow, lower stamina, heavy fatigue, and slower recovery. Vitamin B12 supports the production of healthy red blood cells. These cells are responsible for carrying oxygen to every organ, muscle, and tissue in your body. When you don't have enough B12, your blood becomes less efficient at transporting oxygen, which directly affects energy levels, performance, and even nighttime repair. Poor oxygen delivery means your tissues don't get the nutrients they need to rebuild, and your arteries don't relax as effectively. Another powerful benefit of vitamin B12 is its role in protecting the nerves that control blood vessel function. Strong, healthy nerves mean smoother communication between your brain and blood vessels, allowing them to open and close when needed. This directly supports healthier circulation and better nighttime recovery. Men who get enough B12 often report feeling lighter, more energized, and more confident in their performance. They wake up with better clarity, stronger vitality, and improved blood flow. Foods rich in vitamin B12 include eggs, dairy, fish, chicken, and fortified whole grains. For those who follow a vegetarian diet, fortified cereals and nutritional yeast are helpful options. The key is consistency. Getting a steady supply of B12 each day supports long-term artery health and nighttime rejuvenation. Vitamin B12 may be simple, but its impact on blood flow, recovery, and performance is powerful. When included in your daily routine, this vitamin helps your body recharge naturally, helping you start each morning with more strength and energy. Now I will discuss the foods rich in vitamin B12 to add in your diet. When it comes to supporting blood flow, oxygen delivery, and nighttime repair, getting enough vitamin B12 from food is incredibly important. The body cannot produce vitamin B12 on its own, which means you must get it from your diet. Fortunately, there are many natural and easily available foods that can help you maintain healthy levels of this essential vitamin. Some of the richest sources of B12 come from animal-based foods. Fish such as salmon, tuna, sardines, and trout provide a strong dose of B12 along with heart-healthy omega-3 fats. These nutrients work together to support artery flexibility and overall circulation. Chicken, especially the breast and liver portions, is another excellent source that fits into most daily meals. Eggs, particularly the yolk, offer a gentle boost of B12 and are easy to include in breakfast or snacks. If you consume dairy, milk, yogurt, and cheese supply moderate but steady amounts of B12 that help maintain blood health. Even small daily servings contribute to better oxygen transport and improved nighttime recovery. For vegetarians, vitamin B12 can be harder to get naturally, but fortified foods make it possible. Many breakfast cereals, plant-based milks, and nutritional yeast products are enriched with B12. These fortified options provide reliable support for energy, nerve function, and circulation. The key is to include a mix of these foods regularly. Consistency helps your body build strong red blood cells, transport oxygen more efficiently, and maintain healthier blood flow. With steady B12 intake, you'll notice improved morning energy, better mental clarity, and stronger stamina. By choosing these foods daily, you give your body the natural fuel it needs to repair, restore, and perform, especially as you grow older. In this section I will discuss bedtime routine for better blood flow. A healthy bedtime routine can make a powerful difference in restoring blood flow, supporting heart function, and improving overall performance, especially for men over 40. Nighttime is when the body naturally repairs itself, and with a few simple habits, you can help your blood vessels relax and recover more effectively. Start by giving your body a calm environment. Lowering the lights and slowing down your breathing for a few minutes sends a signal to your nervous system to relax. When your stress levels drop, your arteries loosen, allowing smoother circulation. Deep breathing before sleep works wonders for oxygen flow and heart rhythm. Next, avoid heavy meals late at night. Large portions of food force your body to focus on digestion instead of repair. A light dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bed helps your system shift easily into nighttime recovery mode. A warm shower can also support better circulation. The gentle heat relaxes your muscles, reduces tension, and encourages your blood vessels to open up. This small habit helps your body prepare for deeper sleep. If possible, include a few gentle stretches before lying down. Simple movements for your legs, lower back, and hips increase blood flow to areas that often become tight during the day. Staying hydrated is equally important. A small glass of water before bed ensures your blood remains smooth and fluid, but avoid drinking too much to prevent frequent nighttime restroom visits. Finally, keep screens away at least 30 minutes before sleeping. Blue light from phones and TVs disrupts the hormone responsible for deep rest, and poor sleep slows your body's natural repair cycle. When practiced consistently, this bedtime routine supports healthier blood flow, a calmer mind, and stronger morning energy, helping you feel revitalized each day. Now let's understand the mistakes that block blood flow while sleeping. Many men try to improve their circulation, but unfortunately make nighttime mistakes that block blood flow. One of the most common issues is sleeping right after a heavy meal. When your stomach is full, your body shifts its focus to digestion, instead of repairing blood vessels, which slows circulation. Another hidden mistake is poor sleep posture. Sleeping in a curled or cramped position can restrict blood flow to your legs, lower back, and pelvic area. Using bright screens before bed is also harmful. Blue light overstimulates the brain, reducing melatonin and increasing stress hormones that tighten your blood vessels. Alcohol at night may feel relaxing, but it actually dehydrates the body, thickens the blood, and lowers oxygen flow during sleep. Even going to bed mentally stressed can block circulation, because tension in the nervous system keeps arteries tight. Avoiding these habits allows your body to repair better, restore blood flow, and support stronger morning energy. Next, let's see how long before you notice results after using these vitamins. Most men begin noticing improvements within 2 to 4 weeks when they consistently follow healthier habits, eat vitamin-rich foods, and support nighttime recovery. The first changes often include lighter energy in the morning, warmer hands and feet, and better stamina. As your arteries relax and circulation improves, you may feel more confident and active. However, results vary from person to person. Age, lifestyle, and overall health all play a role. What matters most is consistency. Small daily changes, when repeated for several weeks, help your blood flow naturally, strengthen and support long-term vitality. Men over 40 should focus on steady, natural habits that support blood flow, balanced nutrition, regular movement, good sleep, and stress control. Choose foods rich in key vitamins, stay hydrated, and avoid heavy late-night meals. Small, consistent changes make the biggest difference. With patience and daily care, your circulation, energy, and performance can improve at any age. So there you have it, viewers. Dr. Anglina Dcosta signing off this video. Finally, thank you for staying with me through this important health lesson. Remember, small daily choices can create powerful changes in your blood flow, energy, and overall performance, especially as you grow older. Start with simple habits, support your body with the right vitamins, and give yourself the care you deserve. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more natural health guidance. Your support helps this channel reach more people who need reliable, practical advice. Stay consistent, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and blessed.